Hi, it's Kate with What Tools Inside, and I want to show you the most beautiful gift box from Wax and Wit. So this is the thank you box. You can see that it comes with a thank you card and all kinds of goodies just to pamper yourself from head to toe. So what I love about this is that sure, you can send it to yourself, you can fill out the card, and you can gift in person, but that's not always possible. So with this, you can just put in the person's address, send it directly to them, and you know that it's going to arrive in a beautifully packaged box. So it's as if you did it yourself. It has this cute little saying on the front, someone is thinking about you. The front there, hey, they're beautiful. The whole package is just so well thought out. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go through and show you some of the goodies in here. This is bath salts in the scent Plumeria. I don't even know what that is, but man, does it smell good. I'm assuming it's a flower. So lovely, love that. It comes with a bar of soap in almond coconut. A bath bomb, coconut again. Coconut is my favorite scent of all time. So anything coconut is a win for me. It has a nice little lip balm, and just look at their packaging. I love the colors. I love all the little details. Coconut body butter. It's got a really nice thick whipped consistency, which is awesome. And then it comes with this candle. So this is a cucumber melon candle. These are 100% soy candles. They're hand poured. They have a 50-hour burn time, which is really great. And it comes in a really nice 9-ounce jar. So if you are shopping for a loved one and you're not sure what to get them, I would 100% recommend that you look for a box like this. They come in all sorts of themes too. Like I said, this one is the thank you box, but they have all sorts of different ones. So have a look. Wax and Wit is a fantastic option. And that's my point of view.